Yeah, this is part 4 of rational numbers. We'll start with exercise 1.2. The first question is represent minus 5 by 6 on the number line. What you are going to do is you are going to represent the rational number on the number line. For doing it, you see the denominator. Here the denominator is 6. So what you are going to do is you are going to express this number line with rational numbers with the denominator 6. So I have the 0 on my here in the center. On the right it will be positive numbers. It will be 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. It goes like that. On this left hand side we have minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. And you can extend the number line. So it goes around minus 6 by 6 like this. So you can point out here this minus the rational number minus 5 by 6 lies, or you can represent it by any letter that you like. A is the point where this number rational number minus 5 by 6 lies. Now we go to the second question. In the second question they are asking you to represent 3 rational numbers on the same number line. See the denominator, they have the denominator 11. So your rational number should have denominator as 11. That is the logic. So we'll put a 0 over here. So it will become 1 by 11. This is 2 by 11. So it will be extended like this. On my left I can write it as minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, and minus 9 by 11. So my minus 9 by 11 lies over here, and minus 5 by 11 lies over here, and minus 2 by 11 lies over here. So even you can name it as A, B, C. Here is your A, here is your B, and here is your C. This is nothing but this is your A and this is your B and this is your C. This is how we have to represent rational numbers on the number line, seeing the denominator. Right. Now we pass on to the fourth question. We are supposed to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Right. Already we have seen that we can find infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Here they are very particular of finding 10 rational numbers. So you can write any 10 rational numbers in between. So see the denominators are different. So you find your LCM of this 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we rearrange this minus 2 by 5 with the denominator 10. So it becomes minus 2 into 2 by 5 into 2. The same case goes over here. It is 2. So I am supposed to multiply it by 5. Right. So this number is transformed as minus 4 by 10 and this is 5 by 10. This is not going to help me. Between minus 4 and 5 I cannot find 10 rational numbers. What am I going to do is I am going to increase the denominator. So the easy way of doing is multiplying it by 10 by 10. So it becomes minus 4 into 10 by 10 into 10. In this case it is 5 into 10 by 10 into 10. So our rational numbers become minus 40 by 100 and this becomes 50 plus 50 by 100. So you can find any 10 rational numbers in between minus 40 by 100 and 50 by 100. So your rational number starts with minus 39 by 100, minus 38 by 100, minus 37 by 100, minus 36 by 100, and it is going till 49 by 100. You can choose any numbers, any 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, this is how you need to find out 10 rational, any number of rational numbers. Here the question is 10 rational numbers, so you can choose your best 10 rational numbers. Now the same type of sum in the case of fifth question, they are asking you to find 5 rational numbers. So let me do the second solution. You are given two rational numbers minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So again the denominators are different. So I take my LCM of 2 and 3. My LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Right. So we make the denominator as 6. So it is minus 3 by 2 into, to make this 6 I have to multiply it by 3. The same thing I have to do it on the numerator. And in this case it is 3. The denominator is 3, so I have to multiply it by 2. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So my numbers are minus 9 by 6 and here it is 10 by 6. Between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6 I can find 5 rational numbers that I need. Right. So my rational numbers are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and it goes till 9 by 6. So you can choose any 5 rational numbers that you like. Right. Now we go for the seventh one. Again this is the same type. They are asking you to find out 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So again the denominators are different. My LCM is 20. So I make the denominator as 20. So I need to multiply this 5 by 4 to make it as 20. So the same into 3 into 4. So in the case of 3 by 4 I have to multiply it by 5. So I need to multiply the numerator also by 5. So my number become 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. See, I cannot find rational numbers. What is required between 10? I need 10 rational numbers. I cannot find out 10 rational numbers between this 12 and 15. So I increase my denominator. Right. So I make it as 100. Right. So I am going to multiply it by 20 should be multiplied by 5 to make it as 100. So 12 into 5. 20 into 5. So it goes around 60 by 100. Here the case is 15 by 20. So I need to multiply it by 5. Right? So into 5. So 15 5s make 75. 75 by 100. So in between 60 by 100 and 75 by 100, I can find 10 rational numbers which I like. So it will start with 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100. It goes till 74 by 100. That's it. This is how you have to find out the rational, any number of rational numbers that are required between any two rational numbers. So the logic behind is you have to make the denominator big and then we have to find out the rational numbers. Thus we come to the end of this chapter, rational numbers.